Hey everybody, welcome back. In this episode we're going to try to replace these valves, something I've never done before. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mrs. Rattlecan's house. I am James, and today we are going to replace these two, one of them's leaky, as you can see over here. Torqued down all the way, even with the cap on, it is still leaking, as evidenced by that. That one leaks a tiny bit, as evidenced by that. I hate these. What do I like? I like quarter turn valves. I don't like the twisty valves. So we're going to replace these two valves with a couple of these. These are called shark bite valves. In theory, I shouldn't have to solder them. I shouldn't have to use any kind of tape. They should be a press fit. We're going to find out. I have two of these 1/2 inch to 3/8 threaded adapters, or valves, I guess we should call them. And you know, I shouldn't really need a whole lot of stuff to do it with. I need a pipe cutter. I brought two just in case. I've got a roll of sandpaper so that I can clean the copper fitting off, and just in case, I've got a brush so that I can brush out the inside of that pipe. And they're telling me that's about all I'm going to need. But the first thing we got to do is we've got to depressurize the system. So let's go downstairs and turn off the main water valve to the house. Alright, here's the main water shutoff valve for my house. Guess what? Once again, it's one of those valves that they leak, kind of like that. If I get my way before too long, we're going to replace it with something like that. So now we got to drain, we got to relieve the pressure off of this system. My lowest point, I'm pretty sure, is actually a spigot I got out back. Alright, in theory, I should be able to open this up. I heard it. Hey, there it is. Okay, now, oh, I really hope we can see this. You know what? Stand by. Is there a reason that this might not have closed all the way? By the way, this house does not have a water softener. Can you see that? That's the intake side of this valve, the upstream side of this valve, meaning the water had to get through that and then into the valve. Holy buckets. So I went and showed this to Mrs. Rattlecan because she's in the bathrooms doing stuff. This is what I'm digging out of there. And it's just like grains of sand. I'm telling you, man, this is something. So yeah, well, it's a good thing a water softener and a water filter are on our list of things to get done. So I guess I should get back to doing this job, eh? Hey, I found a little bit more light. Anyways, so I'm going to deburr the inside of this, make sure we're nice and smooth. We've cleaned the outside of this. I just got off of the SharkBite website. It doesn't say anything about removing this little ring. In the middle, so we are going to push this in here. And there we are. The theory is that we now have one valve, and I can rotate that, but I can't pull it off of there. So there's that one. Now we're going to do this one. I'll try to get in a little closer since I finally found some better light. All right, here we go. There we go. And we're off. Same thing, let's deburr this. There we go. In theory, that's all it takes. So there you go. That's the 1/2 inch to 3/8 inch outer diameter straight quarter turn valve by SharkBite Plumbing Solutions. So easy a bass player could do it. Cheers. Have a good one.
If you enjoyed watching this episode of Mrs. RATTLECAN'S House, consider checking out this video. Be sure to subscribe to us on YouTube, and to get the latest updates on our progress, like us on Facebook. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.
Perhaps we should have some wine.